Hey guys, it's the Help for Minecraft. I'm bringing you another video of my hell series. So I use this with the elemental arrows mod, but look at all these chickens. Chicken hell. Holy crap. Yeah. I have so many. I'm getting so many. I don't have anything. So yeah, there's a lot of chickens. And the weird thing is you can't even see them if you're in fly mod this high. You can only see them for so far. So look at it. It looks like they're just spawning. So yeah. Let's all go kill them. Okay, we're gonna spawn some explosive arrows. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Okay. We're gonna kill them all. Fail. Oh, they're still alive. Ah! Ah! Oh, they're dead. Where are they all? I know you're still there, you stupid chickens. Oh my god! So I think that gives Cruelty a new meaning. Okay, this definitely gives Cruelty a new meaning. Oh crap, it's coming down! Okay, well, see you next time. That was the Help for Minecraft. Rate, comment, please subscribe.